fancy icons, like trash cans and stuff for your delete buttons. How'd you do that? Who had a trash can? Somebody have a trash can? Was that all the morning class? Nobody had a trash can on their delete button? Nobody? Really? Okay, that was all the morning class, I guess. But still gets me. I want trash cans. I want a trash can for delete. I want a star for fave. What's a boy to do? CSS can help. Anybody ever use Font Awesome? Yes? Was that a yes, Zach? You know it exists? It's included in a lot of frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation and stuff like that. Let's learn about it. FontAwesome.com. So they just did a major overhaul. It's a little different than it used to be. But the general idea is that it's an easy way to get a whole bunch of icons that you can use in your site or in your app or whatever. Now, with everyone using Font Awesome, it can kind of make your app look like everybody else's, but you can. Anyway, it's a very nice thing to be able to use. So, anybody know the difference between a vector image and a raster image, or vector and bitmap? Everybody know what a vector image is? Yeah. You can resize without losing clarity. Yeah, it's resolution independent. Since you don't have your name tag out, can you remind me one more time? Max, that's right. Thanks. So, bitmap or raster images are defined by pixels. Vector images are defined by math. So instead of saying I want a green pixel right there, I say I want a line from here to here, or I want a curve that's just so. And SVG is an example, Adobe Illustrator files, EPS, stuff like that. And fonts are generally vector images, really. They retain their clarity as you zoom in and out. So Font Awesome was, for a long time, just a font. It is now available a couple different ways. But the idea was, let's use these Unicode characters that are not used for anything. They're not even used for emoji or any foreign languages or anything. And let's stick some pictures in there, and people can use those in their projects. And we'll make a really easy CSS framework to work with it so that you can use them very easily. And it's really cool. Now, the new version lets you use SVGs instead of fonts if you want, which we're going to do. You use it the same way, but it's slightly more accessible. So I like it better. It's a little faster, too. So let's see. Let's go to Get Started. And they're really pushing the Pro version now, which is new, and I understand, but we'll use the free version. So we're not going to use the web font. We're going to use the SVG version because I like it better. So click on SVG with JS. Make sure you click on free here. And then it'll give you a script tag. So copy this script tag. It says to put that in the head of your document. That's fine. So in index.html, I will put that right above my style sheet. It's a really long one. Okay, then it says place icons in your UI's markup. Start placing icons in your HTML's body. We recommend using a consistent HTML element like I. So I, a semantically meaningless but standard element. Originally it meant italics, but that's presentational, and we don't do presentation with HTML. We use EM for emphasis if we do italics. So I really means nothing, so it's a perfectly good thing to use for icons. So find the right icon for the job and learn how to add it in your markup. Okay, find the right icon for the job. I'm going to filter free only here. Let's look for trash. Found it. No, let's look for a trash icon. There we go. Trash alt. I like that one. We got the solid version. We got the regular version. Regular's good. And then right down here, it tells me what markup to put in my file. So I with a class of FAR and another class of FA trash alt. So the first one tells it which font to use, which variation of Font Awesome regular. And then FA Trash Alt tells it which icon. So let's copy that line. Let's find my delete button. I'll just paste it right in there. And then all my delete buttons will look like that. Could it be that easy? Copy that script tag. Copy that icon. Refresh the page. Trash can. Woo! Yes. Good reaction. I like it. How about for fave? How about a star? Seems about right, doesn't it? Let's search for star. Star. You like solid or regular? I think I like solid. Solid choice. All right. So, there we go. Oops. Wrong button. Hey, look at that. It's a star. I like it. So that's Font Awesome. Pretty nice. Even in the free version, there's over 1,000 icons. Look at that, 1,100. Both together, there's almost 3,000. Good stuff. All kinds of stuff you can use in your apps. Like there's so many. It's great stuff. Nicely organized. There'll be lots of notes about this on the website tonight, if you want to learn more. All right. Use Font Awesome icons in the buttons.